So far, we have seen how to apply mixins to specific components. Apart from that, it's also possible to add mixins globally. When doing so, a mixin is applied to every Vue instance that is created, and therefore also every component in your entire application. Before talking about its usages, let's see an example. So I have the same project opened up as in the previous lectures, only that I have removed the code that we added in the previous lecture. What I want to do now is to add a created lifecycle hook for all of the components in the project. This is done by using the mixin method on the Vue class. So let's open up the main.js file and add that. So vue.mixin, and this method just takes an object, which is the declaration of the mixin. So the same format as you saw in the previous lecture in the retrieve products mixin. So create it for the lifecycle hook. Again, notice that this object uses the same format as components. So alert, a Vue instance was created. Opening up a browser, we can see that the alert is displayed 3 times. But why 3 when we only have 2 components? Well, apart from the 2 components, we also have a global Vue instance, which is initialized within the main.js file, which is where the third alert comes from. And that's how easy it is to add global mixins. That being said, global mixins should be used with caution. Since they are applied to every component within your application, make sure that you only use them when you really want to apply some behavior to every component, and try to predict this the best you can on the longer run. And by every Vue instance, I really mean every. This includes any Vue instances created by third-party libraries. Usually, you should only use global mixins if you want to handle passing custom options into Vue instances and components. An example would be to check the $options object for a given property and running some code if the property exists. In general though, I would not recommend using global mixins unless strictly necessary. That being said, now you know how to do it if you really need to.